Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an essentials haul. I recently picked up some items from their spring and summer release from PacSun and Essence. So if you think that you would be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. So this is the first set that I have, and I did get all of these from their kids collection just because when I got on their website, pretty much everything in women's was sold out, and I just felt like a lot of their items are super big. So yeah, a lot of these items I do wish that I kind of sized up or down, but like I said, because of the items are just so limited, like things sold out so quick, I just kind of got whatever I could pick up, and I'm just gonna try to work with what I have. So yeah, I got these shorts. These are the sweat shorts, and then I just got this t-shirt. The sweat shorts are in a kids medium, and honestly, they fit good. I'm 5'2", I weigh about 106, and yeah, I feel like they fit good. Honestly, I kind of feel like I could size down just so they could fit a little bit tighter, but these are definitely comfortable. And they definitely give me that sporty look. So yeah, I really like these. And then the top is also in a medium, I believe. Yeah, the top is in a medium, but I wish I would have sized up to a large, but like I said, it's the only thing available. I definitely would have sized up to a large because it does fit kind of tight. But I was thinking maybe if I tie it up, yeah, I was thinking if I maybe tie it up and make it into a crop top, I feel like it would definitely look really cute. So that's what I plan on doing. Or I think making it kind of into a crop top, you won't be able to notice that it does fit kind of tight. So yeah, but I really love the color, and I think that this would go so cute with my Yeezys. So this is why I got these, because I just thought it was so cute, and I can wear these with just some white Air Force Ones, sneakers. This is just something to just throw on. You still look cute and put together. You still have that hype beast edge because it's essentials, and it's everybody wants these clothes. Alright, so the second outfit is actually a sweatsuit. I have some sweatpants and then this pretty moss color. And these actually fit really good. They aren't that flattering in the back, but as far as length, they go down all the way to my ankles, which I like. And yeah, I kind of like that baggy look, especially with some Jordans or something like that. In the winter, I feel like that would be so cute. And then I just have the matching shirt, and like I said, I do wish that I was able to get a large because the medium does fit kind of tight. And then for the pants, I got extra large, and I kind of feel like they look fit good. I could get them tailored a little bit up here, but honestly they're joggers, so I'm not really gonna put in that effort. And then I also managed to get the hoodie, which I was so excited because this sold out the fastest. This is how the hoodie looks. I wish that I would have got the large in the hoodie or extra large, because I do like my hoodies to fit a little oversized, but I mean they go, they fit my arm, they aren't short or anything. I feel like overall it doesn't look like it's too small. I did get this, like I said, in the medium. So yeah, I think it looks okay. My arms doesn't look oh my, when you wear jackets that are too small and they are right here, you can tell they're too small. This doesn't do that, and I actually have room for my arms, so I think that's good. Yeah, and because I'm probably gonna be wearing it with the joggers because they are high-waisted, you can't even tell, it looks like everything is cohesive. Oh my gosh, so this is my favorite outfit that I have. The sizing combo that I did was perfect. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I love the color. It's so bright and perfect for summer. So for the sizing for this, I got a large in the shirt, and then I got a small in the bottoms, and the bottoms are actually a size 6 in kids. And I was kind of oh, this is kind of risky to do because the medium was a size 8 in kids, and like I said, you would think, oh my god, a size 6 that it's gonna be so small, but you guys, this fits me perfect. That's what I mean. Essentials really runs big, and their sizing is very stretchy and universal, I feel like. So yeah, I kind of like this over the medium, and I actually got these from Essential, this set from Essential, and what I liked about the Essential is you can like do returns with PacSun. It's final sale, so like, you know, some of the items I was telling you guys that I didn't like how the sizing fit with Essentials, I could have returned it, you know, if I didn't like how it fit, but with PacSun I was stuck with it. So that's why I was kind of like, you know what, like if it doesn't fit, I'll just return it, like whatever. But it actually like turned out perfect. In the medium, I mean in the top is a large, and I love how it fits. Like it's like baggy, it's just perfect. I wish I would have got the other t-shirt in a large, the other two, but yeah, I really love how it fits. It just gives me that super comfortable, relaxed look that I love when I'm wearing t-shirts. So yeah, if I would have been able to get the hoodie, oh my god, I would have got it. But I really love this for the summer, so I just think it's so cute. Of course, I had to get an all black situation. So as you can tell, this top is huge. So this is actually from like the women's section. This is like one of the original collections that came out. I got this earlier this year, or maybe the end of last year, from Essentials, and this is an extra small. And you guys, this is humongous. That's what I was telling you guys, like their clothes are definitely fit oversized, but I kind of like how it looks. I feel like I like that super relaxed look, and I would probably just kind of like tuck this in like this, so it looks super baggy but still a little put together. And then I got these shorts in a size small, like, so that would be the kids 6. So yeah, I really like how this fits. And even though this shirt is super big, like the perfect size, like I told you guys, would have been a kid's large. But I got this like before they even announced the kids collection, like so long ago, and I actually still have not worn this yet. This is the last set that I have, and it is just the like sweatsuit version of it, the hoodie and the sweatpants. Of course, I had to get another black set because I just love wearing black. I just feel like it goes with everything, and yeah, like most of my clothes are black, so yeah. I got this hoodie in a size large, and I also got the bottoms in a size large. I do feel like they kind of fit a little bit of like high waters. Like I wish they were a little bit longer, like the extra large, but I like how they're tight in my waist, and I do feel like they fit a little bit more flattering than the extra large. So I was thinking, like, you know what, I can wear this with like high top sneakers that I have, like high top Jordans, you know, the Jordan 1s, like I can wear with that, things like that, so you wouldn't be able to tell that they're a little bit high watered. And the shirt, I love how this fit. I definitely wish I would have got the other hoodie in a large because it just fits so great. Like I love that oversized look. As far as sizing goes, I think the large, extra large is what I will definitely end up getting in the future if I do decide to get some more sets, which I think I will, because y'all, this quality is so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 fuck swat.